Hello everyone, welcome back to another Badgeskins installation video. Today, we will be installing the highly requested 2024 Plus Atlas Interior Shifter Console Overlay. During this install, you'll need 5 things: alcohol wipes to clean the surface, a micro squeegee, a regular Badgeskin squeegee, a poker or a popping pen, and lastly, a clean microfiber cloth. These tools are available on our website. On the right side here, we have the overlay kit, which includes 3 pieces: the Shifter Console Overlay, the Tray Overlay, and the Chrome Delete strip for the tray's chrome accent. Let's get right into the installation process. Step 1 of the installation process is the surface preparation. Before applying any vinyl, it's crucial to prep the surface properly. Use the provided alcohol wipes to thoroughly clean all areas where the vinyl will be applied. Don't rush this step. Be generous and make sure that you remove any dirt or oil or residue. Once cleaned, wipe down the surface using the clean microfiber cloth to ensure it completely dries the surface of any lint, dust, or contamination. Step 2, the Shifter Console Overlay. Push in the tray to make room for the center overlay. Once you do that, peel the vinyl off the backing paper and begin to align the top edge. Take your time here. If you don't get it right the first time, you can always gently peel it back and reposition as needed. Once the top is aligned, move to the bottom portion. Lightly lift the vinyl up to create a bit of tension. This helps maintain a smooth and consistent application. Carefully align the bottom edge in the same way. Tack down the vinyl using your thumb, working from the center outward. It's important to pay special attention to the cup holder area, as this is where precision matters most due to the curvatures. Once everything is properly aligned and pressed down, remove the masking layer to reveal the finished look. After removing the masking, some of the vinyl may be lifted up. You can go back over it with your fingers and your thumb to make sure everything is tacked down nicely again. Moving on to step 3, we're going to move the tray overlay back into place so it's ready for alignment. Next, what we're going to do is carefully remove the vinyl from the backing paper. We're going to use the 2 steps called align and slide. We're going to slide the overlay towards the back of the tray, and we're going to use the whole piece as a visual to help align the front edge accurately. Once the alignment looks good to you, you can start to tack down the front edge. You can use your finger to go around the chrome accent there and ensure that placement is perfect and to your liking. After this, you can lift up the back edge of the vinyl and slowly start to tack it down. If you're able to purchase our squeegee kit, you can use our Badgeskin squeegee to tuck the vinyl to the back of the tray. Here's another angle to show the technique that you should be using. Remove the masking when you're satisfied with how you installed the vinyl. Again, if you purchase our squeegee kit, you would have seen that there's a micro squeegee in the kit. Use this to tuck in the edges around the chrome accent and also the back of the vinyl, as shown in this clip here. Moving on to the final piece, simply remove the chrome accent piece overlay from the backing and start to line it up. In this case here, you can line up the edge and slowly fold the vinyl over the tray chrome accent. After doing so, you can use your thumb or squeegee to start to work in the vinyl and fold it over the accent. After doing so, feel free to remove the masking and you're all done. Arguably the most important step of the video is the post heat treat. Using a heat gun, or if you don't have a heat gun, a hair dryer will work just fine. Thoroughly heat treat the entire overlay to ensure the adherence of the vinyl to the surface is nice and strong. This will allow the overlay to last for years to come. Using your Badgeskins micro squeegee, go over the entire overlay one more time to ensure every corner is tucked in. After heat treating the vinyl, you may notice some imperfections or bubbles in the vinyl, and this is totally normal. This is where the poker pen comes in handy. Simply poke a few holes into the bubble with the poker pen, heat up the spot using a heat gun or a hair dryer, and finally squeegee it down. Just like that, you're all done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to @Badgeskins on all platforms. Cheers.